Time to wrap up the week and take a look at next week. We'll start with our disclaimer. Hypothetical simulated performance results have certain limitations, and like an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since trades have not been executed, results may be under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representations being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Okay, we came in today with a lot of news that could impact the market. All the news today was negative for the stock market, yet the stock market is trading up. We had yesterday the action in puts was 2490 and calls was 2500, and we guessed that we would close today's market at 2495. We also said that if there was a big explosive move, it would be to the upside as the shorts got squeezed. The trades are just what they are, very, very slow moving. The E-mini is the last place to look. Small winner. Small winner. Small winner. Actually, that was the trade of the day right there. This mean green trade right there. Scratch, maybe a plus, and then we just died from there on out. So just don't have a lot to work with. You can't really count on it on the E-mini. Right now we're definitely dealing with a P. The market is pointed higher, so if we had to guess where it was going to close, it'd be 24.95 or better. We're sticking with our call. A close at 24.95. News on Monday: housing market price index. So, taking a look at the F1 screen, higher low, higher high, find a place to buy it, maybe. Looking at the F2 screen, and we're not closed. We have a little more action to come here, so it's going to be pointed up. So we're going to sell failure to take out 96.75. And then selling 99s to 02s. Sell 2. On the buy side, buying 90 to 92 and 85.87. And we'll definitely adjust these Monday morning. Treasuries were quiet. They were basically sideways. We guessed that we might have a trading range market today. Had a inside day. Find a place to trade it come Monday. F2 screen. Definitely a B, working lower. This morning we wanted to sell 11s to 15s. The high was 15.5. We caught that. We wanted to buy 4s to 8s. The low is 6.5. We caught both sides of the market. Do we know what we're talking about? Yes, we do. So we're at 9.5. 12.16, sell 1. 19.23, sell 2. On the buy side, it's a B, trying to trade lower, maybe a little bit lower right here. Trade by 2s to 6s, and then 28 to the buck. Looking at the 30-year, excited about the movie tonight, this afternoon. The Vince Flynn book, Mitch Rapp. Hopefully don't screw it up by cheap, gratuitous sex and car chases. The material's that good they don't have to do that. But if you want a good thriller, that's very, very topical. Vince Flynn is hard to beat. Okay, 4 to 8, number 1. Sell 11 to 15. That's where we were this morning. 19s to 23. Sell 2. On the buy side, 24, 28. Buying 17s to 21s. And 9 to 13. Looking at gold. Gold has been good to us this week. Crude was just, we've got a couple of dead days in crude. Higher low, higher high. Find a place to buy it on F1B. The F2 screen's not going to show that. Nothing but B's behind us, so we're back to where we were. 2022 by 1. 15 to 17 by 2. On the sell side, 29 to 31. That's exactly where we were this morning. And 23 to 25 on the buy side. We caught both sides of gold today. Always fun when that happens. But again, it should give you confidence that we do know what we're talking about. We're not perfect, but we're working on it. And crude. I think crude's probably impacted also by the Hurricane Harvey, and how it's going to screw up the stats for a while. Inside day to day, we didn't have any range. Very, very difficult to work with. Never sell a dull market, and we paid the price for that this afternoon. I get to go home. Last trade of the week, a loser, and this is going to be emotionally distressing for me. I'm going to have to do some proper spiritual work to recover from the blow my ego has taken. Sell 1, 50 to 50 and a quarter. Sell 2, 50, 50, 50, 75. On the buy side, 50 to 75 by 1. And 49 even, 49 and a quarter by 2. And the euro. News was all positive today for the euro, and it did have a positive close, I believe. It's up for the day. Higher low, higher high. Find a place to buy it off the F1 screen. F2. 2 distributions. A D pattern with a move out of the middle and H period. So first sell will be 120 even, 120.10, sell 1. 120.25, 120.35, sell 2. On the buy side, 119.75, 119.50. And that does it for this September the 15th. Gosh, half of the month is gone. Einstein was right. Time is relative, and time gets faster as you get older. Y'all have a great weekend. Hopefully Tennessee wins in football, but I'm not going to lose any sleep over it one way or the other. And going to enjoy a movie this afternoon. And dinner out with the wife, and I'll see y'all bright and early Monday morning. I'm out of here.